What is going on, YouTube? This is Sidney Cumbie. I'm editing this video that you're about to watch right now. I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up, a little intro to this video. This makeup was probably a makeup that I did, I don't know, maybe last year sometime. I have a whole bunch of videos to edit. I'm sorry, it's taken me a while. I do a lot of work. I work a lot, so I don't have a lot of time to edit these videos and throw them online, but here it is. I try to simplify this zombie makeup. I do a lot of zombies, try to simplify it. I try to use like 4 colors in this whole makeup. Started out with like a bruised purple, a flesh color. And then after that, I went in with some a bruised purple airbrush color, a sort of dried blood airbrush color, and a rancid sort of green. So that was mainly 4 different colors that I used in this makeup. So it's relatively simple. This is more of like an 80s style, really sunken in zombie makeup. Not too complicated. But Gordon had to be in. Gordon is my model. He had to be in and out of this makeup real quick. So I pre-painted everything, got it all ready. We did arms, a full face, it's neck and everything. So we got him in and out of this makeup in no time. People I gotta thank RBFX for letting me do this makeup. This is all RBFX prosthetics except for the eyes. The lids are prosthetics that I provided because I didn't want to put lenses in his eyes, so I made lids to make them a little bit more sunken back. So all RBFX prosthetics, male packs paints to seal the prosthetics. So that first layer of purple and that flesh color, that's males. And then European Body Art airbrush colors, so the bruised purple and the dried blood. And then Ben Nye cream colors. There's like purples and reds and maybe some greens of Ben Nye in there. And then the palette at the end of the video is going to be the Necromania palette by PPI. Necromania is my favorite alcohol activated palette, so make sure you guys check that out. Here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. I won't talk anymore. Bye guys, bye.